Imagine a world where every single child, regardless of their background or circumstances, could have access to a personal tutor, someone dedicated to their individual growth and understanding. A tutor who is endlessly patient, understanding that learning takes time and varies for each student. Wise, offering guidance and insights gleaned from years of experience and knowledge. And a tutor who is always available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to assist whenever and wherever needed. This might sound like something out of a futuristic movie, but it isn't science fiction. It's the central question explored in Salman Khan's thought-provoking book, Brave New Words. The book challenges us to fundamentally reimagine education, to move beyond traditional models. It proposes that we shift our perspective, viewing education not as a standardized race against the clock, but as a deeply personal journey of discovery and growth for every learner. Khan, the visionary founder of Khan Academy, envisions a future where cutting-edge technology, and especially the power of artificial intelligence, unlocks the hidden potential within every mind, regardless of perceived limitations. He asks us to reconsider our assumptions about AI, urging us to see it not as a threat, but as a powerful tool for building a more creative, inclusive and equitable world for all. Imagine a young sapling striving to grow tall and strong in a vast forest. Each individual mind, like that sapling, needs just the right kind of nourishment, care and attention to truly thrive and reach its full potential. Now, for the first time in history, we have the potential to tailor that nourishment with unprecedented precision, providing personalized learning experiences for every learner, no matter where they are in the world. Brave New Words suggests that we stand at a critical turning point in the history of education, with the opportunity to provide truly personalized learning experiences for all students everywhere. This transformative journey isn't about fearing or rejecting technology, but rather about embracing its potential to amplify our shared humanity and foster deeper connections. We'll explore how AI can free us from the mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on what truly matters in education: critical thinking and problem-solving skills, fostering creativity and innovation, and cultivating meaningful connections between students, teachers, and the world around them. Ultimately, it's a story about transforming education from a rigid system into a vibrant, living, breathing ecosystem of continuous learning and growth. Brave New Words is about giving every learner a tireless, patient helper powered by AI. This isn't about replacing teachers, but giving each student a personal tutor and every teacher a helpful assistant. Imagine learning as exploring a garden, with each child guided at their own pace, never left behind. AI handles repetitive tasks, freeing classroom time for debates, creative projects, and real human connection. The technology becomes a tool that strengthens, not weakens, our bonds. Khan's vision is optimistic. AI reflects our collective knowledge and helps us reach our highest goals. The book is a roadmap for parents, teachers, and students to use these tools wisely. It's about empowering everyone to become their best selves and building a brighter future for all. A key idea in Brave New Words is mastery learning, a concept that challenges traditional educational norms. It's about ensuring that students don't just passively absorb information, but actively engage with it until they achieve a deep and thorough understanding. Building knowledge like a sturdy house, one solid block at a time. Each concept mastered becomes a foundational element supporting more complex ideas and skills. This approach emphasizes depth over breadth, prioritizing genuine comprehension. In most schools, students move on with gaps in understanding, often due to time constraints or standardized curricula that don't cater to individual learning paces, which eventually make learning harder. These accumulated gaps create a fragile foundation, hindering future progress and leading to frustration. Khan proposes a new way, a personalized, mastery-based approach that leverages the power of artificial intelligence. With AI, students can practice until they truly master each concept. This ensures that no one is left behind and everyone has the opportunity to reach their full potential. The AI offers endless practice, providing a tailored learning experience that adapts to each student's individual needs and learning style. Explanations and encouragement, no judgment, no rush. It fosters a growth mindset, where mistakes are seen as opportunities for learning and improvement. Only when a student is ready do they move on, ensuring they have a solid grasp of the material before tackling more advanced topics, ensuring a strong foundation. This approach builds confidence and empowers students to take ownership of their learning journey. This approach turns struggle into a natural part of learning, recognizing that challenges are essential for growth and deeper understanding, not a sign of failure. It cultivates resilience and a positive attitude towards learning. AI creates a safe space to try, fail, and try again. It removes the fear of judgment and encourages experimentation. The pressure of the clock is replaced, allowing students to learn at their own pace and truly internalize the concepts. By the joy of true understanding, this intrinsic motivation fuels a lifelong love of learning. Every child can build a magnificent house of knowledge, a testament to their hard work, dedication, and the power of personalized learning, ready for whatever comes next. They are equipped with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to thrive in an ever-changing world. If AI tutors our children, what becomes of teachers? Khan's answer: teachers are elevated, not replaced. AI takes over repetitive tasks, freeing teachers for what matters most: human connection. Teachers become conductors, guiding students and orchestrating lively discussions and real-world connections. With AI tracking progress, teachers can give targeted help and mentorship. The classroom shifts from lecture hall to dynamic workshop. Technology becomes a bridge, not a barrier, deepening the human heart of education. Teachers focus on curiosity, creativity, and emotional intelligence. They guide students not just through curriculum, but through life. Brave New Words draws a clear line, a line that helps us understand the role of AI in education. AI is a tool, not a teacher. It's a distinction that's absolutely crucial as we integrate this technology into our learning environments. Think of AI as a powerful, versatile instrument, a digital Swiss Army knife, if you will, capable of performing a multitude of tasks. Like a calculator, but for learning. It can crunch numbers, analyze data, and provide insights at speeds that would be impossible for a human. It can quiz, providing instant feedback and identifying areas where a student might be struggling. It can coach, offering personalized guidance and support, and even debate, presenting different perspectives on complex issues. But it doesn't have human understanding or empathy. It cannot replace the nuanced interactions and emotional support that a teacher provides. The goal isn't to mimic teachers, to create a robotic substitute for the human element in education, but to empower them and their students, to augment their abilities and unlock new possibilities for learning and growth. AI's strengths are its vast knowledge, its ability to access and process information on a scale that no human could ever match. Patience, it can tirelessly repeat explanations and provide support without frustration. And ability to personalize learning, tailoring educational content to the unique needs and learning styles of each individual student. It delivers the what of learning, the facts, the figures, the raw information, but the why and how remain human. The critical thinking, the creativity, the ability to connect knowledge to real-world applications. We must use AI with perspective, understanding both its potential and its limitations. Amazed by its power, by its ability to transform the way we learn and teach, but clear-eyed about its limits, recognizing that it is a tool and like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill. AI is a product of human ingenuity, a testament to our capacity for innovation and problem-solving, meant to serve our goals, to enhance our capabilities and to help us create a better future for all. By wielding this tool wisely, we amplify our creativity and wisdom, unlocking new levels of understanding and innovation. The vision and purpose must always remain in human hands, guiding the development and deployment of AI in a way that benefits humanity. The ideas in Brave New Words aren't distant dreams, they're changing classrooms now. Imagine students unafraid to ask for help, using AI tutors for private, judgment-free learning. Teachers freed from paperwork become true mentors and facilitators. AI insights help teachers design engaging projects and foster critical thinking. This vision extends beyond school. Adults can use AI tutors to learn new skills anytime, anywhere. education becomes accessible to all, regardless of age or location. It's about unlocking human potential and removing barriers to learning. Brave New Words offers a blueprint for a more equitable, intelligent world. As we close, Brave New Words leaves us with a powerful idea. This is not just a tech revolution, but a human one. For the first time, personalized education can be available to everyone, not just a privileged few. The future of learning is about using technology to amplify our humanity. It's about honoring each learner's unique journey and freeing teachers to inspire and connect. The real question: will we use these tools to simply improve old systems or to reimagine education itself? We are the architects of this new world. Our choices will shape generations. Let's approach this future with curiosity, wisdom, and optimism. Brave New Words is an invitation to nurture the potential within every human mind.